the Supreme Council of the surviving elders of indigenous people of Biafra, who are the Biafrans who saw the Biafran War, and most of whom are still alive. We've lost quite a number of them, but some of them are still there now. They have come together to form the Elders Council. And we also have the Bilie Human Rights Organization, which is the legal arm of the struggle, while the movement of Biafrans in Nigeria is the political arm of the struggle, which is in charge of political and economic affairs of the Biafran people. In recent times, many people have tried to approach the Biafran struggle in several different ways. But what makes what we do a little bit different from what the rest of them do is because we believe in the legal approach to the Biafran struggle. We do not believe in violence. We do not believe